Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you a unique and awesome way how to make money with Legos. As you can see, this is the Ghostbuster vehicle that is actually selling right now on Lego. Let me show you the original one. The original one is actually red and white. So it looks kind of cool, but here is my version of it. So I have decided to add blue parts to it and to make it a lot neater. So if somebody wants a custom-made blue version of this vehicle, you can only get it here because I used a lot of parts that you can't get anywhere else. To top it off, I also added some minifigures to the set itself. And some of those minifigures are exclusive to this set. So this is one way that you can easily make money with Legos. You can add your own creation to it, and then you can even customize the Lego minifigures as well. So let me show you what I have here, and they were refusing to get out. So one of them is not even a minifigure. So let's take a look at the minifigures themselves. So this is the one that originally comes with the set. We have a brick remover here. We have the special units that they use in the back of them. And the minifigures themselves. So what I did is very simple. I kind of took two of them from the other set. This is the first edition set that came out. So it's pretty hard to get those now. But you can still buy them, but soon enough they'll be retired. And what I actually did, I took the head, and as you can see, this is the head from the new version actually. And I put the hair right on this one. And another thing I did here is I took another different kind of hair and I put on that one. So now we have a female one and we have a kind of a male one, but it's supposed to be a female one too. So it's kind of looking cool. With those accessories in here, those are special accessories that I bought just for the Ghostbusters set, and they come with the back, and they look kind of better than the ones that Lego actually comes up with. So this one has it too, so you have two sets of them. So there we go. So my way of making money with Legos here, with Legovesting, that we are talking about here, is to take the whole set and create your own version of the set itself, which means you go into it and you modify it. And sometimes you don't even modify, sometimes you just take the cores themselves and you change it. But on top of here I did a few modifications. There was different kind of units here and different kind of elements that are not really featured in the original set. And then I just switched a lot of the plates around, so it looks kind of nifty, and it has those color code right over here and the color code for the seating too, which is kind of cool than the original, but it's up to you to judge. You can figure out if you like this or not, but it's like the space version of this set. But if you are interested in attempting to make money with Legos, you can definitely try this method. You can take and create your own custom elements and see if you can come up with your own custom set. Another method for you is, of course, to take a custom set that already is created, such as this one right here, and use different bricks and use different colors. Now you have to have a lot of spare Legos to attempt to do something like this, and then what you are gonna try to do is to try to sell it for a little bit more than it cost. So for just breaking even would be kind of cool, but if you can charge like totally extra bucks, that's a totally extra that you can put for another set. And if you continue on doing this, that starts to become a job, and with a job comes profit too. So think it over, see if you can figure out if you can buy some interesting Lego set that you have on sale. Take the set apart and use your own parts and see what you can build. So happy building!